Hey guys, before I start the video, I just want to say thank you to everyone that's subscribed to my channel. We just hit 200 subscribers today, and yeah, I'll hope we can keep on growing this community. Anyways guys, here's the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back on the road again for some more overland adventures. In today's trip, my buddy Matt and I are actually just heading up to this spot he knows up the mountain that is about an hour and a half or so from where we kind of live. The weather right now is actually not too bad. It's cloudy. There might be a chance of rain, but who knows. We do live in BC, so weather changes like that. Just the snap of a finger. Also, there might actually be a chance of snow on the mountains right now, so that'll be an interesting drive for me. If there is snow up the mountain, it will be the first time that I've ever driven in snow up a mountain. Hopefully my vehicle here is capable enough to get up there and check out this spot that he mentioned to me. Anyways guys, see you guys on the road. This dip on the road is the first of many that we will be encountering as we descend up the mountain.
Rather than turning left, get that a little bit faster.
This is the last dip before we get to the top. It's pretty steep, so finding the right line is key. like we say, if you can't make it the first time, try again. As we descend higher up in the mountain, everything around us is covered in fog. It gives an eerie feeling, but very calming at the same time. Before reaching our destination, a fallen tree and a few branches was blocking our way. What the hell? Just fell off, eh? Then, we finally made it to Valhalla. Fuck it.
Look that great. You know what I mean?
Fuck it, dude.
Like,
Dead homies.
this one's for Paul Walker and Kobe.
We made sure that the fire was out before we head back down.
Oh, fuck.
It's like a sauna now.
Yeah, let me flip.
Yeah. I'm definitely going back here again when it's not foggy. But for now, it's time to head back home. right, guys, that will do it for the video. I hope you guys like it. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so and you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any future videos. Anyways, guys, until next time, like always, stay awesome.